Hello everyone, welcome to TNV Academy. My name is Devarshika and today we will be discussing two critical aspects of ISO 20716 complaints and product recalls. These processes are vital in maintaining product safety, quality and consumer trust when issues arise in the marketplace. Handling complaints in ISO 20716. Complaints from customers provide valuable feedback about potential issues with the product. ISO 20716 emphasizes the need for a structured, well-documented system to handle these complaints effectively. Let's break down the key components of complaint management. Complaint reception. All complaints, whether from consumers, retailers, or internal sources, must be taken seriously. A system must be in place to record every complaint in detail, including the nature of the issue, the product details like batch number and the date of the complaint. Investigation process. After receiving a complaint, it is crucial to investigate the root cause of the issue. This could involve reviewing production records, conducting laboratory tests on retained samples, or inspecting raw materials. The investigation helps determine whether the problem was a result of production errors, contamination, improper storage, or other factors. Corrective action. Once the root cause is identified, corrective actions must be taken to prevent the issue from recurring. This may involve adjusting manufacturing processes, revising quality control procedures, or improving product handling. Communication. After resolving the issue, it is essential to communicate the findings and solutions to the customer. Timely, clear communication helps build trust and demonstrates the company's commitment to addressing concerns. Documentation of complaints. ISO 22716 requires that all complaints are documented in detail. This documentation should include a description of the complaint, the batch number of the affected product, the findings from the investigation, the corrective and preventive actions taken by maintaining thorough records. Companies ensure traceability and transparency. This documentation is also critical during audits or inspections to demonstrate compliance with quality standards. Product recalls in ISO 22716. Product recalls are necessary when there is a significant risk to consumer safety or when a product does not meet the required quality standards. ISO 22716 provides clear guidelines for managing recalls to ensure swift, effective action. Recall initiation. A product recall may be triggered by internal quality control findings, customer complaints, or regulatory authorities. Once the decision to recall a product is made, the company must act quickly to minimize risks to consumers. Traceability. One of the most critical aspects of a successful recall is traceability. ISO 22716 requires companies to maintain records of every batch produced, including where the products were distributed. This allows companies to quickly identify the affected batches and remove them from the market. Communication during recalls. Companies must notify all relevant stakeholders, including distributors, retailers, and regulatory bodies about the recall. Clear communication is essential to ensure that the affected products are removed from shelves and do not reach consumers. Execution of the recall. The recall process itself involves several steps. Product retrieval. The company must work with retailers and distributors to retrieve the affected products from the market. This may include products already in the supply chain or those that have reached consumers. Investigation and corrective action. During the recall, an investigation is carried out to identify the root cause of the issue. The company must implement corrective actions to ensure that future products meet quality and safety standards. Destruction or reprocessing. Depending on the severity of the issue, recalled products may either be destroyed or reprocessed to meet the required standards. ISO 22716 requires that this process is documented to ensure accountability. Post-recall evaluation. Once the recall is complete, the company must conduct a thorough evaluation to assess the effectiveness of the recall process. This involves reviewing how quickly and efficiently the products were retrieved and whether any areas for improvement were identified. This review is essential for improving future recall procedures and ensuring that similar issues do not arise again. Continuous improvement. Handling complaints and product recalls is not just about responding to individual incidents. It's about continuously improving processes to prevent future issues. Regularly reviewing complaint data, recall procedures, and product quality can help identify trends and areas where the company can enhance its operations. ISO 22716 encourages a proactive approach to both complaint handling and product recalls, ensuring that companies learn from each incident and strengthen their quality management systems. In conclusion, effective complaint handling and product recalls are key elements of ISO 22716 compliance. By having structured processes in place, companies can address issues quickly, protect consumer safety, and maintain their reputation for producing high-quality products. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and also stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we are going to talk about lab controls in ISO 22716. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.